In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to share with you 10 cute Canva fonts that will transform your designs. Now, the majority of these are free fonts. I believe only one of them is a paid font where you have to have Canva Pro to use. So if we click on one of these and come up to here, if there is a crown next to font like this, that means you do have to have a Canva Pro account. But again, 9 of these fonts are actually completely free. Now let's dive straight into this and let me share with you these 10 fonts. So font number 1 is called One Little Font. Now if we click on here, come up to the font section, we can see that just here. Now to find any of these fonts which I am sharing, you can take the name, come into the search bar up here, type in that font's name. For this example, this is One Little Font, and then it's going to put it up. Then all you have to do is click on that font, and then you can use it in your designs. Now what I'll also do, put the name of all of these fonts down in the description below. But this is the first one. It's called One Little Font, and as we can see, it's a cute little font. Now, font number 2 is called Aksaramatee. I think I pronounced that right. I'm not too sure. Now, if we click on here, come up to the left-hand side, and let's just get rid of that, we can see that it's this one just here. So that's font number 2. Font number 3 is called BP Child Fatty. Bit of a weird name, but if we click on here, go onto the font, come up to here, we can see what that one looks like as well. This is another free font here in Canva. Then we have Canda, Tawa, Kittl as font number 4. I really like the look and feel of this font, but if we click on here, come up to the text, we can see this one is actually a pro font. Now, if you want to try a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you decide to purchase after the 30-day free trial, I will make a small commission. Anyway, that's font number 4, Canda, Tawa, Kittl. Now, font number 5 is called Ganja Flower. Bit of a weird name for a cute font, but nonetheless it is pretty cute. If we click on here, come up to the left-hand side, we can see what that one looks like as well. But that's font number 5. Font number 6 is called Made Barista. I think that's how you say it. And again, if we click on here, come up to the fonts, we can see what that one looks like as well. This is another free font. I believe the only paid one is font number 4, which is Canda, Tawa, Kittl. So, font number 7, and this is called Raily. And if we click on here, come up to the left-hand side, we can see what that looks like as well. This one, as we can see, also a free font because there is no crown. So that's font number 7. Now, font number 8 is called Hibernate. I thought it was called something else, so I quickly had to change that. But this is a really nice font as well. Really nice, cute font. If we click on here, come up to the left-hand side, we can see what that looks like. That's this one just here. And again, this is another free font. So that's font number 8. Font number 9 is Petit Cochon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that one right as well, but this is a really cute font. If we click on here, come up to the left-hand side, we can see what this looks like. This is also a free font as well. And then font number 10 is called Pirou. And if we click on here, we can come up to the left-hand side. This is also a free font as well. And that's what it looks like. So try these out, take the list from down in the description, come over to Canva, find them, and then start using them in your designs. Now let's have a quick recap of these. Font number 1 is One Little Font. Font number 2 is Aksaramatee. Font number 3, BP Child Fatty. Again, bit of a weird name with that one. Then font number 4, Canda, Tawa, Kittl. Font number 5, Ganja Flower. Font number 6 is Made Barista. Font number 7 is Raily. Font number 8 is Hibernate. Font number 9 is Petit Cochon, and font number 10 is Pirou. So, they're all the cute fonts which I wanted to share with you. Come over to Canva, take the list from down in the description as well, and then give them a go and start using them in your designs. And if you want to see more font videos, then drop a comment down below letting me know. And if you want to watch more of my Canva tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.